friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set downloaded wallpaper on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on the setting. When you move on the setting, here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling on the down, and here you will be able to see the wallpaper option. So here you have to click on the wallpaper. Okay, so when you move on the wallpaper, from here you can set click on the profile option, and down here is the profile. Click on the profile. When you click on the profile, here is the wallpaper. Click again on the wallpaper option. From here you can set the downloaded wallpapers. This all are the downloaded wallpapers. Okay, if you want to set downloaded wallpaper, you can set from here the downloaded wallpaper. What you need to do is that you just click on the downloaded wallpaper. After that, click on the apply option, and you can set from here the for the lock screen, home screen, and for the board. Okay, you just need to click on that option. And friends, I'll show you. If you click on this plus icon here, okay, this green color plus icon, just click here. When you click on here, if you want to set from the gallery the wallpaper, you can set from here the gallery. Okay, from the drive also you can set from the photos, from the file manager, and from the gallery. If you want to set from the gallery, you can set from here. Okay, it means that photos of your wallpaper. Okay, so I click on the back button once and click on the back button once again. Okay, and click here on the wallpaper. When you click on the here wallpaper, here is the live. Okay, so friends, if you want to set the live wallpaper, from here you will be able to see here the live wallpapers. Okay, you can set from here the live wallpapers. Okay, I click on the back, and if you want to set online wallpaper, you can set from here the online wallpaper. You can click on the new or top. See, this all are the online wallpapers. You can set from here the online wallpapers. Okay, I select here. So just click on the apply option, lock screen, home screen, and for the both same only, you just need to click on the option. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.